Hey everyone, West Coast Muscle Saws. We are just finishing up this bar. I have welded the tip. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to true it up and then I'm going to cut it with my bar machine. I'll show you how to do that. Anyway, I've got the weld on it. I'm going to square all this up and then I'm going to flip the machine and I'll cut that. You'll see how to do it. Got that squared up. Now I'm going to flip the machine and do some cutting. Here's what it looks like. I'll slip a new tip in it and they'll be ready to go. If you got any questions, you know how to get hold of the chainsaw guy.